Do you suck at wiring installs? Are tedious install times keeping your accessories on the shelf and you off the trail? Are you tired, dashboard yoga?
Nah, I'ma stay.
Are you confident in your crimps?
Most definitely.
But all of your tug tests end up with a mess in your hands.
Is your wiring disaster keeping you in the garage? Do you have dash rash or firewall fear? Are your ghetto installs keeping you off the road? Introducing the Billy Button. The BangShift Billy presents the Billy Button, a 4-button wireless setup for your racing steering wheel, or the Billy Bar, a 4-button panel to activate any 4 outputs in your vehicle. Comes with a wireless receiver, simple battery connection, just plug it in, and then 4 30-amp outputs. Let's have BangShift Betty demonstrate.
Thanks, Billy. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the Billy Button in my trusty 4x4. So here I have the wiring harness and the power harness. We have our transmitter, and then we have a receiver that is internally protected with self-resetting fuses and is 100% solid state, and then our mounting plates. Our mounting plate for the transmitter is equipped with multiple screw holes designed so you can put it anywhere you want. If you intend to put it on your roll bar, it is grooved on the inside to fit naturally around your bar, and also has equipped inside these grooves for zip ties to make it more convenient. The transmitter is rechargeable via USB-C, the port right here. So let's get to the installation. Our transmitter is magnetic, so I'm just going to hold it here, keep it out of the way. And I'm going to grab our first mounting plate and I'm going to mount it to a riv nut that I've already installed. I have removed the air box, so I have room to work here. I have already installed the harnesses and I fished them through, and now we're going to connect it to the battery. Get that nice and tight. My power lead has been grounded. I've just put that onto the factory ground here. Now that I've installed the base plate, I'm going to show you how the harnesses connect. They are IP67 rated. They go in like such. And now I'm going to connect this to the base plate. Now that we have attached our harnesses to the receiver, I'm going to show you that option 1 is our light bar. Option 2 is going to be our fog light. Option 3 is our air compressor. So for option 4, I'm going to show you how easy this really is. All you need is power and ground. This here is going to be my new work light. I've already attached my connector, and so I'm going to attach my power and my ground. So now option 4 is our new work light. And it's as easy as that. Power, ground, you're done.
Leave your wired button failures behind with the Billy Button. That's right, we got your stylish, sturdy, secure, and streamlined wireless buttons. They'll power every accessory you got.
Nah, I'ma stay.